So you've collected some information and now you're looking for a way in Java to store those values. You might have heard of arrays. You might also have heard of array lists. In this video, we're going to talk about both arrays and array lists and what they can and cannot do. And then I'm going to provide you with a suggestion on which one to use 99% of all cases. Okay, so let's take a look. So let's say our information is a list of trees and we want to store their names. This means we're going to store a list of text, and in Java we're going to do this with string. And because this is an array, we're going to need square brackets followed by the variable name and then equals a new array of strings. And within the squared brackets we have to decide on the number of elements in our array. This is how we put oak in index 0. This is how we put palm in index 1. This is how we put maple in index 2. And now we want to put pine in index 3. But this is not possible. The index 3 does not exist because the size of this array is only 3. There's no possibility to change anything here. The array has a size of 3 and that's it. So let's print all the values within this array to the terminal. For this we're going to use a for loop, starting by index 0 and then iterating over every index in steps of 1. And in every single step within this loop we're going to access the tree array by its index. And this is what this looks like: oak, palm and maple. Alright, now let's do the exact same thing using ArrayList. For this we start with ArrayList, then within the angle brackets we're going to define the type of values that we want to store, followed by the variable name, equals new ArrayList. Now let's add oak, add palm, add maple, and add pine. Let's output the values using a for loop, and in every iteration we use get to access the elements. And this is what this looks like: oak, palm, maple, and pine. Now let's change a value that we have in our array. What we do here is put cherry in the tree array at index 1. Whatever value has been there before will be overridden. Let's output those values again using a for loop. And this is what this looks like: oak, cherry, maple. Let's do the exact same thing in ArrayList. What we use here is the method set, providing the index that we want to write into and the element cherry. Let's use the for loop to output all the values. And here we go: oak, cherry, maple, and pine. Okay, let's take a look at how to remove elements in arrays. And it's very simple. In arrays, this is not possible. It is not possible to remove any elements in arrays. Arrays are fixed and cannot be changed. But within array lists, this is different. We can use the remove method and provide the index that we want to have removed. Within this example, we remove the element behind index 1, which was cherry, right? Let's output all the values using the for loop. And this is how the array list looks now: oak, maple, and pine. Cherry cannot be found anymore. Removing elements just by index is not the only thing we can do. We can also provide the element itself. Let's try this out with oak and output all the values to the terminal. And here we go. Our new array consists of maple and pine. Now let's take a look at how to clear all the values within the array. And it's very simple with array. It's not possible. We cannot change the array. But within ArrayList it's different. We can use the method clear. Let's output all the values to the terminal. And here we see that our new array list is completely empty. So here you go. You can see that both arrays and array lists can do lots of things, but ArrayList all in all is a bit more flexible. If you think this video has brought value to you, drop a like. It would really make me happy, and it also helps this channel grow on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.